The current take, make, dispose model of the fashion industry is contributing to our climate crisis. The fashion industry is producing more clothes than needed and of low quality, leading to extreme waste and pollution. In 2015, carbon emissions from clothes surpassed those emitted from all international flights and all maritime shipping combined. During our research, we attempted to understand how we could influence change at the source. We quickly discovered there's no such thing as sustainable fashion. There's relatively lower impact fashion, but that promotes the notion that we can buy our way out of climate crisis. Instead of tackling big corporations at a global level, we decided to focus on the personal level in the post-consumption phase. As consumers, we can make choices and influence change at scale. We learned about the new textile economy proposed by Ellen MacArthur Foundation. Circular fashion is restorative and regenerative. Clothes are kept at their highest value during use and re-enter after use, never ending up as waste.
For our user profile, we identified that consumers want to act responsibly but are largely unaware of the environmental impact and lack motivation and the means to do so. How might we reach a broader audience and drive responsible post-consumption actions? Some areas of focus include informing and engaging consumers and identifying key actors that are starting points for change. The problem we defined is that consumers are donating and discarding clothing with incomplete knowledge of environmental impacts or motivation for responsible means. Some primary points of emphasis include increasing clothing utilization and lifespan and radically improving the recycling process.
Our solution closes the knowledge gap that causes complacency and inaction when it comes to responsible clothing disposal. By using the app, users will have access to convenient solutions that reward them. This helps close the loop of clothing entering landfills. Our app makes responsible clothes disposal easy and actionable. By showing users nearby recycling centers and brand take-back programs, it enables them to quickly find and compare solutions. Users are shown all of the details about each program and procedures for clothing drop-off. Then, they can get directions to their chosen recycling center or store and have the ability to log the recycling batch, positively reinforcing the impact of their actions, which helps to create responsible habits that contribute to circular fashion.
Currently, most consumers' relationship with clothing is linear, but our solution makes circular fashion more accessible. By connecting brands and consumers, we are growing awareness and encouraging responsible practices. As circular fashion grows and more brands participate in recycling programs, our app will only have more value as a hub for discovering recycling programs and learning about circular fashion.